the newer technology within KMC, it saves us 20% more time than other products. We're still doing some BACnet versus LAN versus BACnet IP. The BACnet IP product is much quicker.
With the Conquest line of controllers, once those came out, we've seen that our install time or our setup and tech time has gone down 20%. One is there are a lot of tools. Yeah, I can address the controllers with an NFC app using Connect Lite. I can deploy controllers using KMC Connect, or just even the library of controllers that already the pre-programmed sequences. If I have a rooftop or fan coil, a lot of the KMC has already done a lot of the hard work for us and gave us a sequence that works, and we basically just need to wire it up and answer a couple questions and off we go. You know, for long, it helps us get off the job faster, for we can do more work. And for the customer, we're not spending as much time still doing the basic stuff where we can actually get it done and actually watch the system work and do some loop tuning and some other stuff that we wouldn't have if we were still addressing controllers and doing other things that would, you know, used to eat our time up versus laying my phone on the controller and just, here's your address. It helps make more money, do more work, help the customer save money, and give them a better product in the end because we're not still stuck out in the climbing around on ladders because we're already done with that. We actually get to watch the system work before the owner takes off, you know, ownership of his building.
The other products that we rep are more difficult to configure, predominantly because they require tunneling through a front end, a supervisor, to connect to a local controller. Like there's literally a controller, you open up a panel in a chiller plant and you can't plug in directly to the controller. You have to go back to the front end or have a Wi-Fi connection back to the front end. With KMC, we have the ability to directly connect to a controller with their configuration software directly in a laptop. And so it's just super convenient for our technicians from a startup commissioning and troubleshooting standpoint. Far more convenient than the restriction of needing to go back to a front end or an operator workstation in order to interface with a particular controller, whether that's for troubleshooting or commissioning purposes.
The other product lines like LAN or BACnet take a lot longer than BACnet IP, and it works very effectively for us. So if we can save 20% on labor to get it out there, that's invaluable.